In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Notion database to Excel. If you've been managing your data in Notion and need to work with it in a spreadsheet, exporting to a format Excel understands is quick and reliable. I'll guide you through the exact clicks and highlight what each choice means so you get a clean file every time. Start by opening the database page you want to export. Look to the top right corner of the page and find the three-dot menu. This is the Page Options menu, and it's where Notion keeps actions like exporting and page settings. Make sure you're on the correct database page, especially if you have multiple similar pages in your workspace. If you don't see the menu, double check that you have permission to export content in this workspace. From that three-dot menu, choose Export. This opens Notion's export dialog. It's a simple panel, but the settings you choose here make a big difference in how your data shows up outside Notion. In the Export Format field, select Markdown and CSV. This is important. Markdown handles any page content, while CSV is the format that captures your database rows and columns in a way that Excel reads perfectly. Choosing Markdown and CSV ensures Notion produces a spreadsheet-friendly CSV for your database, rather than a PDF or HTML that wouldn't be useful in Excel. You can leave other options as they are, unless you have a specific reason to change them. When you're ready, click Export. Notion will package the content and start the download. For small databases, this usually takes just a moment. For larger ones, give it a little time. The download you receive typically includes a CSV file for the database inside a compressed folder. That CSV is the key piece you'll use with Excel. A couple of quick tips as you review the exported file. Properties like text, numbers, dates, and checkboxes map cleanly into the CSV format. For multi-select or relation properties, you'll usually see values listed in a single cell separated by commas, which is normal in CSV files. The export reflects the database's data, so keeping your properties tidy in Notion helps produce a cleaner result outside it. And that's all there is to it. You've exported your Notion database in a format designed for Excel, giving you a straightforward way to analyze, filter, and share your data beyond Notion. Thanks for watching, and enjoy working with your data.